Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS Republic of Gamers completely redesigned Zephyrus G14 and G16. So friend, ASUS announced the 2024 Zephyrus G14 and Zephyrus G16, the latest in an illustration lineup of supremely powerful thin and light gaming laptop. These machines feature a new CNC machine aluminum chassis, a customizable slash sliding array, and brand new platinum white colorway, while cutting edge AI-accelerated silicon from Intel, AMD, and NVIDIA stand ready to push gamers and creators to new heights of performance. Both Zephyrus G14 and G16 come equipped with the ROG Nebula Display, stunning color-accurate OLED panels that are also G-Sync capable of incredible gaming experience. Ultra-efficient cooling technology including tri-fan technology, liquid metal and vapor chamber on selected models enable the Zephyrus G14 and G16 to breathe easily despite their ultra-portable designs. The Zephyrus G14 and G16 also comes with a larger individual keycaps and larger touchpad for superior typing, precision scrolling, and fluid gaming. Both the 2024 Zephyrus G14 and Zephyrus G16 ship with 3 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, providing access to a library of hundreds of base games and friends. Featuring up to an AMD Ryzen 8000 series processor with support for AMD Ryzen AI, the Zephyrus G14 stand ready for future with support for Windows Studio effects, productivity tools like automatic framing, eye contact correction, and advanced background effect in video calls. And the Zephyrus G14 also features up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU with access to advanced features like DLSS 3.5 frame generation, array reconstruction for improved visual and gaming responsive. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.